Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This festival season we have brought to you these Bollywood inspired crushed tissue silk sarees with multicolor embroidery in some unique color combinations. There is a huge craze for these sarees this season. These crushed tissue silk fabric gives the sarees a beautiful shine which makes it glamorous. These lightweight sarees make it perfect for those long festival days when you want to look amazing without feeling weighted down. The highlight of the sarees is the embroidery work on the border. Its delicate and intricate work in multicolors on two-tone crushed silk sarees truly sets it apart. This blend of colors added a modern twist to a traditional look, giving you that Bollywood diva feel. So if you are looking to make a statement this festival season, these Bollywood inspired crushed tissue silk sarees are a must have. Don't miss out on this trend. To buy these sarees, WhatsApp to the number scrolling on the screen. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more unique fashion updates. Thank you.